how to set up Google Alerts. So if you want to set up a Google Alert, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and search for Google Alerts. Once you've searched for Google Alert, now you need to just go with create an alert. Now you need to just tap on the Google Alert link, which is right here. Now once you're here, you're going to type in the topic that you want to get alerts for. In my case, I'm going to just go ahead and type in, like, for example, marketing. Then go ahead and click on create alert, which will be here on the bottom. Once you click on create alert, you will get this kind of interface. As you can see that I've created a new alert for marketing, but you can create an alert with pretty much anything you want. You can even create an alert for your name, a specific topic, or industry. You can create an alert. Let's say that you're a content creator and you want to know what's trending at the moment. You can type in something like, for example, viral hooks. And that way, anytime there is something that you need to stay up to date with, you will receive a notification or an alert on your Google browser. And that's it. This is a free tool that can be very helpful for anyone that is trying to grow on a specific industry or just wants to stay up to date with trends. That's how you can create alerts or set up alerts. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.